Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unlink an EA account from PS5. Alright, so first up, I would like for you to know that you can only unlink both accounts by going through myaccount.ea.com. Okay, you won't be able to do it on your PS5. You could go ahead and open up your browser on a mobile device or computer. So just go ahead over again, myaccount.ea.com. Type it down on your browser, hit on enter, and then just log in with your EA account. Now, once you're in here, in the left panel, go ahead and click on Connected Accounts. And in here, you should be able to see PlayStation Network or PSN. Okay, so if you can't find it right here, it's not linked. Okay, you don't have to do anything. But if you want to unlink it, click on Unlink right here. Now, there will be a verification code that will be sent to this email right here, or the email that is tied to your EA account. So just click on Send Code, and you should receive the same exact email. So just go ahead and double click on it, right click and copy, paste that in here, and finally just click on Submit. And once done, you're good to go. Now, I would like for you to know that if you unlink your PSN account, you can only ever link it back to the original EA account you created it with. So you cannot link it to a different EA account. All right. And that is how you unlink an EA account from PS5. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.